This house represents a new era of home ownership, one where efficiency and personalization go hand in hand. Forget the long, drawn-out process of traditional construction. This prefabricated home is built for speed, allowing for a remarkably rapid setup that gets you into your new space in an expedited timeframe. This streamlined process bypasses the months of planning, building, and inspections, offering an effortless journey from concept to reality. The true strength of this house lies in its ability to transcend traditional boundaries. Whether you envision it nestled in a remote wilderness, serving as a functional living space in a bustling cityscape, or functioning as a temporary solution for an event, its design accommodates any vision. This inherent adaptability makes it a truly versatile asset, ready to be deployed wherever you need a high-quality, reliable structure. Its wide-ranging utility is a testament to its intelligent engineering and forward-thinking design. Furthermore, this home offers a customizable design that ensures your living space is a perfect fit for your life. It provides a foundational structure that can be tailored to meet specific needs, from interior layouts and room dimensions to unique features. This house can be configured to serve as a personal sanctuary, a dynamic workspace, or even a specialized commercial property. This level of personalization allows you to create a space that genuinely reflects your unique lifestyle and purpose. The flexible bedroom options further enhance its appeal, providing a scalable layout that can evolve as your needs change. With the choice to configure it as a one-bedroom retreat, a two-bedroom residence, or a three-bedroom home, the floor plan is designed to grow with you. This versatile modular house is a practical solution that effortlessly adapts to various living arrangements, offering the ideal layout whether for a solo dweller, a couple, or a family. This home simplifies the path to a life of ease and freedom, proving that a high-quality, custom space can be both beautiful and simple to acquire. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.